Thanks for watching the first episode of House Stories. I'm your host, Andrea Vecchio. Today's story is about the Wigwam, one of the original homes built on Kelley's Island in 1860. Its walls hold many stories, and its newest residents had some special ideas on how to bring new life into this charming space with the design team from Herman's Furniture. The goal? Honor the architecture of this old home while updating its design into a fresh and modern cottage. The inspiration? White with pops of blues, green, and coral, plus a mixture of eclectic textures and fabrics. We're here on Kelley's Island, and this is the Wigwam. You can already see from the outside that the transformation of this cottage is major. Let's go see what it looks like on the inside. Here we are in the heart of the home. What used to be 2 bedrooms on this floor is now a family room, TV room area, and if you come back this way, right here was a wall. The design team and homeowners knocked out that wall to open it up into this beautiful kitchen, which used to be a porch. And you'll love this design feature. Rather than having a traditional coffee table that takes up too much space, the designers gathered stools and small tables that can also function as seating or an ottoman. This is the dining space. It's only 9 feet wide, but fits 10 to 12 people here for dinner. It's true. The designers maximize this space by substituting big, bulky chairs with a built-in bench, and tucked under here are garden seats. There are 4 bedrooms in this island cottage. Finding the right bedding can often be a struggle, and custom bedding is expensive. The designers chose a combination of store-bought comforters and custom-made pillows and shams to give each bedroom its own unique look. This home is 1,500 square feet, but what the homeowners and their designers achieved is proof that with the right colors, arrangement of furniture and accessories, small spaces can still feel open and fresh. If you want to see more house stories, give us a like, a share, and subscribe to this Herman's Furniture channel. We'll be back with more ideas for you and your home.